Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom heat transfer gang sheet using Canva. This is a great way to create multiple designs on a single sheet, which can save you time and money when it comes to printing your designs. So let's get started. If you don't already have a Canva account, go ahead and create one. It's free to sign up and it's easy to use. Once you're signed in, you'll see a dashboard with a variety of design templates to choose from. Next, you'll need to choose the size of your gang sheet. Click on Create Design located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You can create a custom size by clicking on the plus Custom Size button. Be sure to change the default sizing from pixels to inches. Once you change this, enter the width as 18 inches and the height as 11.5 inches, which is a standard page size here at apexheattransfers.com. Now that you've entered the correct size of the gang sheet, click Create New Design. Next, we're going to place our artwork onto the canvas. You can upload your own files, select one or more from your saved files. You can resize your design by clicking on it and dragging the corners. You will see the measurement appearing, showing you the size. When you have it sized just right, just click it. You can then reposition it and add additional sizes by clicking the design and then copy and paste. Once your sheet is filled out, it's ready to be downloaded. Now that your gang sheet is ready, simply go to either the Share button or the File menu and select Download File. For full color images, you can select the PNG format. After you select the format, be sure to change the image resolution by dragging the slider over until you see the number 3. This will give you the proper file resolution before sending it to our order department. Congratulations! You now have a ready-to-print gang sheet. Be sure to review the important steps before placing your order. Thanks for watching this video from apextransfers.com.